Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing this video on Microsoft Excel and I'm going to show you how to insert decimal points automatically in your worksheet. And number two, what I'm going to take you through is how to change the default cell pointer direction. And the third one is I'm going to show you how to show and hide the formula bar. And the fourth one is how to change the grid line color. And I will also add another way of doing it, or maybe changing the office of the program. Now let me start off. Now to do all this, I would like to begin with how to insert decimal points automatically in your worksheet. So to do this, you simply have to go to File tab here. Then you click on File tab. It will bring you to, just move to Option. It's down here. So you'll have to click on Option. Then it will open up a dialog box here. So we'll move straight to Advanced. It is here. So you'll click on Advanced. Now if you check here, you see this option, automatically insert decimal points. Now you are going to choose the number of decimal points you need to work with. So you need to make sure you check this, you check like that. Then you choose the number of decimal point or places. Like for example, you can choose 5, 6, but for this case I'm only going to work with 2 decimal places like this. So let me show you how this is applied. Now you just have to click OK. Now when you come to your worksheet here and try to enter some figure, then you press enter. You see automatically decimal points are already placed. Now this is how you can change and work with the decimal process. So it happens automatically like that. Now let me take you to the second thing, is how to change the default cell pointer direction. So for example, on this worksheet, whenever you press enter, you see the cell pointer direction will have to move downwards like that. So this means it is set by default, and there's a way that you can change that default. Now to change the direction of this cell pointer, you simply have to go back to File tab, then come to Option. Now just move to Advanced again here. Now you'll see here you are told, after pressing enter, stroke move, enter, comma, move selection direction down. Now there is option, there are options here you can pick. For example, I'm going to pick this direction, left. Let me work with left. I will select this left like that, and then OK. Now look at this effect. Now I have now to press my enter like usual, enter tab on my keyboard, pressing like that. You see the cell pointer direction is moving towards the left side. This is because of the default direction that we have changed on this program. Now the third thing which I'm going to show you is how to hide this formula bar. This is what we call formula bar. It is here. It is somewhere here. It is here. This is a formula bar. There's a way you can hide it, and you can still be able to show it. Now to hide this, you still have to go to File tab, then come to Options here. It will open up this dialog box. You move straight to Advanced there. Then you'll have to scroll then it is here. So if you uncheck this one, can uncheck show formula bar, then okay, when you come to your worksheet, your formula bar disappears like that. You will have hidden that formula bar. The fourth thing is I'm going to show you how to change the default color of this grid line. This grid line, it has an automatic color, and you can still be able to change the color of these grid lines. So you still have to go to File tab, Options, and then you go again to Advanced. Then you scroll down. You'll find this option here, Gridline color. So there's Gridline color here. You can change the color of that green line. So we have so many colors here. I can decide to change this color to, let me say, this color here, then apply. So you see this grid line color is now changed. This is how exactly you can change the color of this grid line. Now the last thing is how to change the office, changing the office theme. So to change the office theme, you still have to go to File tab there, come to Options, then this time you will go to General here. Then move to Office theme. It is down here. Now you can be able to change the office theme from here, maybe to black, or you can work with white, gray, dark gray, black. Let me pick black for example here, then okay. So you see the office theme is now of this program is completely changed. Now if you find this video very important, please consider subscribing for more.